Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I've done one of my short series product reviews. I'm gonna stop doing the chatty patty stuff and we're gonna get right to the video. So I'm gonna be talking about a product from Camille Rose, but wait. She has the coconut water collection, but wait. She did release 2 new items literally like a week ago for BeautyCon LA from the coconut water collection, and I was able to snag 2 of those new products. But we're going to be talking about one for the sake of this video. I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to be reviewing the coconut water curl coating Cowash. This is it right here. It comes in a 12 fluid ounce jar. And I would post a picture of the actual consistency because you may not be able to see it on camera with this one because it's too bright. But I literally just washed my hair last night. So real quick, I want to talk about the product itself. I don't know if it's going to be easily accessible everywhere, but right now I did purchase it on her website for $13. Hopefully you are able to find it in Target and wherever she sells the coconut water collection. And it's funny, I am not one to jump on every new hair product rave anymore. I'm kind of like passing the product junkie phase. However, for the summer months, literally for nearly 2 months now, I've been using the coconut water style setter, leave-in conditioner, and the penetrating, whatever the deep conditioner is called for this line. So it literally came right on time when she released this product. One of my friends was the one that alerted me about it. So I was really excited. I was definitely eyeballing to see when she was gonna drop it. And the moment she dropped it, I ordered it. It came on time. Like I said, I got it on her website. And I washed my hair last night. My hair feels really moisturized, but that's not to say her products from that line isn't moisturizing, but my hair feels moisturized. And typically a co-wash is like a mild cleanser to wash your hair. It's like a conditioning cleanser. Not to say I don't use shampoos because I do, but I really liked it. So far I only used it once. I washed my hair twice yesterday and you can probably see once again, I still have a lot. I would show a clip of how much I used in the video, but I did give my hair a nice wash, rinsed it out, washed it again, followed with a deep conditioner and stuff. So I really did enjoy it. I would purchase it again if I continue to use the other products from this line. And that's all I got for it. The other product I will review in another video. This is my twist out from this product. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, suggestions, definitely leave it down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.